If you have one of these old towels sitting in your linen closet just waiting for a new chance at life, in today's project, we're going to show you how to bring it back, how to make it more attractive, and make it worth showing off. So let's get into it. Once your cat lets you, cut a 16 by 15-inch piece from that old towel. And then grab an 18 by 3-inch fabric piece to decorate.
We will fold it in the size approximately 1 inch in each side. I will press.
Fold about half an inch on the long sides and then place against the edge of the towel.
Use it some pins here in the end of our towel.
Then grab your solid 18 by 1.5-inch piece.
Fold it in the size approximately 1 inch in each side, and after we will fold it in half, we can insert right here under of our another fabric,
Tucking it in based on your own preference, but leaving at least half an inch under for sewing allowance.
we will put the pins to hold the fabric in place.
And then grab your other 18 by 3-inch piece and 18 by 1.5-inch piece and repeat this process to cover another part of the towel, such as that stripe that a lot of towels come with.
And looks so nice. It's a wonderful way to upcycling an old towel.
Be sure to pin it and then put the towel aside.
Here we have the pieces with the interface was previously put the iron and it's already pressed against to the fabric. And this is the part we will hang in the towel. As a reference for the size, I fold it and I will use this roll and I will mark it an inch. I will leave in here it's like half inch here in the top, and I will mark it approximately half inch from the ruler. After we are ready, we will cut the fabric just around here.
Then grab your 11 by 4-inch piece with the 10 by 1.5-inch interfacing ironed on already.
Let's fold this piece in half. We can use some pins here where we will sew it. And we will sew in just for now in one side to the edge. Now we're going to sew in all our pieces. We had our pieces sewed, and I want to show you, this is one of the pieces I mentioned to you, just sewing one side. After I turn inside out and put it in the middle, and that way you don't see any threads in the front. I folded one side, sewing, and after I will attach to the main part of the hanging towel. I sew in, I leave a gap here, I we need to make few cuts to helping with turn it inside out more easy and keep flat. Now we have that piece. I will with insert and take it over the gap. When we had here, we will be able to sew it, close the gap and turn it inside out. This is the way that look now, and after we can always keep that part inside. But this is something we will work in later. After we had in this way, we can fold the ends ½ inch, and we can press with the fingers or we can use the iron. After we had the towel folded in half and made a small cut here in the middle, and that way you know that part is half the center of the towel. Fold it one more time. You can help him with the pin. Do the same in the another side. And after we bring
the other piece to figure out how many more folds you need to make.
After you have the size that is according with the another piece, you just put it inside, take your time. May you have to try couple times before you get the right size to keep here. And that one looks so cute. Now we're going to sew it right here, and after that I'm going to place a plastic snap, and the size I will like it is I will leave in here a little more longer to put the snap here, and this one can be like a decoration as well. You remember, the projects no need to be perfect. It's the time and the dedication we take in all what we do. So this is a wonderful project. You can spend some time at home working and doing great things for your friends, for yourself, and you can decorate with anything you like it. And this is the result of our project. If you want to learn in more projects like this one, we can see you in how made a coaster like that. Thank you and see you there.